Good morning, everyone. Today we'll talk about actual services to consumer side. The question is, do we have any killer applications? What services was the best to increase the ARPU? What is the experience of Korea? Well, when we started this service about a year and a half ago, we started with entertainment using AR and VR. And a lot of early adapters liked it. But as the number of subscriptions go up, now we have over 4 million subscribers, then people begin to use 5G from entertainment to actual daily life. They begin to use it for daily life. So we are changing their whole services to daily life. Of course, we do still have some entertainment, AR and VR. So there are basically three categories. Broadcasting, you see the unseen things and see what you want, not what they provide you. The second category is immersive media, using AR and VR. Third category is, of course, the cloud. Multi-view broadcasting. Now, Uplus provide pro baseball. You used to see what the PD of broadcasting service is providing to you. You see only one screen they provide you. Now, you can choose the screen you want. You can spot some place and then zoom it in and out. And you can even go back the time so that you could see his baseball swing, how he make home runs and things like that. So you begin to see something you could not see before. You choose what you want to see. That's the biggest difference. Uplus golf, of course. Korea is very strong in ladies golf. And when they like someone, you could follow her all the time for 18 holes. Because, every camera is following her as well. So there are hundreds of cameras shooting whole golf course, and you can choose one of them. And you could choose what kind of swing she's doing, how she's doing puttings, and how long she's hitting. That's a kind of a new experience you feel. That's great experience. BTS is on the top chart of Billboard. And the Korean idols are doing very well. You can see somebody's face very, enlarge it, and you can enjoy what she's doing. Of course, those idols cannot hide back there anymore, so you have to show yourself. Immersive media. Uplus has the world's best 3D AR volumetric technology studio. So they use this studio to produce very high quality AR contents. Also, the video file size is reduced very much. Actually, mostly 130 gigabyte to 600 megabyte, which is a very much reduction in data size. So you can transmit that data in real time, anywhere, everywhere. Also, this kind of method enables the production of live action contents with spectacular quality. So it is helping a lot. Kids library. Kids love to watch this kind of AR, VR type of library. It's very good for educational purpose. But these games are very much educational too. Living library that reacts when touched. Well, it's not the library that you could look around, you could flip the page of the book. These days, the library is touching library. You touch, it begins to move around. Famous characters and fairy tales, everything is in there. So kids really love this kind of new library. I think this is a start of next generation education for kids too. AR shopping. You may do shopping at home very easily, but very effectively too. You don't have to really go out and see it. It shows everything of it. Also, you could move around that item in your room, in your living room. Where should I put this air conditioner? Where should I put this air cleaner? You take a shot of your living room and you can move that thing here and there. So you know where to move, where to place the air conditioner or air cleaner before you buy it. So there are so many different things for shopping, and you may enjoy shopping by doing this. You could reduce the mistake before you buy it. Third thing is cloud. Well, the cloud will set you free from the old days expensive devices. You don't need new devices. For every game you used to buy a new device. It's expensive, but you don't have to do it anymore. So everything's done by cloud, and even with your handset, you could manipulate it very easily, so you don't have to buy it. Experience GeForce Gaming anywhere. You can get the new experience of the game. You can move instantly, transform nearly any Android mobile devices. So you don't have to have a new devices. Also, you can enjoy 150 different games very easily. You don't have to really buy them. You just enjoy it and use it and just pay for the time you use it. So it's a total concept of game is changing. Now, so what? So how much did it help? This is the result. It gives you a significant growth, and still, it is still growing. It has so much potential. Data usage, 4G used to be around 12 gigabyte on average. Now it went up over 30 gigabyte. Of course, revenue went up 37%. For 4G users, the average is $35. 5G users, average ARPU is around $50. So market has changed so much, and ARPU and revenue increased so much. This tells you the value of 5G service applications. Well, this is some statistics. If you see it, all 20s, 30s, 40s age, and love to enjoy it. But note that ages in the 50s also enjoy 5G very much. And that's true for almost anything. For U plus VR, of course, 30s and 40s are enjoying very much, but 20s and 50s enjoy them too very much. We thought that only 20s and 30s enjoy VR and AR, but that's not the case. They all use AR and VR very much. So it tells you that almost all the ages people enjoy AR and VR of 5G. And as I said, the revenue increases more than 30%. the data usage increased more than 30%. And this is the fact, and this is the experience LGU Plus has gone through. People are worried that will it really give increase in revenue and ARPU? Yes, it does. This tells you why and how. Thank you very much.